Hey guys, this is unboxing of this Goodsmile model kit for GODMARS. And GODMARS is one of my favorite robots back in the 80s. Yeah, it's anime series from the 80s. So let's take a look at the box. Very cool. We have like image of the Earth at the back with the GODMARS on the front. And here's some of the guys. Back of the box, we see the individual pictures. Gaia we have here, the swings, nice. Some action poses, and it stands at 190 millimeters when combined. And here's the rest of the box, the 3 pieces. Hold on, let me get this open first, guys. Thanks. Okay guys, I have it open. Right now, we will meet for some stickers for this kit. 4 stickers. Some smaller parts here, I think this is for mouth, for Gaia. Oh, here's the manual. Very nice manual, very cool, GODMARS. All the characters and where to place all the markings. Information about the bill. Then we have a second manual. This manual is for like when you have it the robot combined instructions. Okay, let's take on the stringers. Some red pieces here. I believe this is for Gaia. Parts. And these are face plate parts, actually. Face plates. Some white parts here, red parts, and black parts. Blue parts, yellow parts, white parts. Yeah. And we're getting like a lot of these like small pieces. And here's the sword with some clear pieces. Bigger parts here. And that piece is black. That's all the stuff that comes with. I got this kit today at this is my hobby store. It's called Wonderland. You can pick this up for like around it's pretty expensive actually, $500 HKD. That works out to be around 85 bucks USD. But yeah, it's my first time building this Goodsmile kits, and I'll get back on the next video with the finished products when I build this up. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.